Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Remember on this channel, I let's bring my trade setup on my trade pairs. This is a video on a breakdown of a trade I took yesterday on EURUSD. So on EURUSD yesterday, you can see that price was currently on a good supply area and market has been on a serious downtrend from our higher time frame. So our time frame was in a clear bearish trend, while on a 15 minutes time frame, I was able to spot a supply area on a 15 minutes time frame. So from the supply area, I marked out the supply from the 15 minutes. And then I went down to a 5 minutes time frame on EURUSD. So going down to a 5 minutes time frame, I also saw that okay, price is likely going to react from that particular zone. And I noticed that price was approaching that zone, and as price was approaching the zone, I was able to find good setups on a buy to that zone. Although I missed the two setups, I didn't get to take the setup. So and it was just a personal way because I didn't get to use my buy limits. I was waiting to use insert execution, so I probably missed the trade. So as price entered the supply area and I came back to see that price is already at the supply area, and I've seen the first touch of the supply area, and markets dropped and gave us a retest on the supply area on a 1 minute time frame. So marking out my 1 minute time frame supply area, right, which is more or less like a confirmatory entry. So I saw that price also give us a clear inducement and a kind of another block, another 1 minute time frame block, which is possibly price going to retest there and then drop. So after considering the area, I was able to mark it out and take the trade. The trade was a kind of a 2 pip stop loss trade. So you know, two pip stop loss, then you add your spread. So with all those calculations, I was able to see that for me to be risking $2, which I normally do per trade on this account, I'm going to be using like 0.08 or 0.06 or stuff. So I took the trade with 0.05. Yeah, I didn't get to scale in all the positions I needed to. But as the trade was about to play out, I noticed that okay, since I started this challenge on this account, my account has not been in profit. So I've always been in drawdown. First trade I lost the first and the second trade, so I was already down like 3 points, almost $4 loss. So I was looking at okay, maybe I'll use that one and just cover up a little, and that was the part emotion playing the trade, and I wasn't able to hold the trade to full TP, and trade later went for full TP, giving us a clear 1:8 risk to reward, as you can see here, which even if we extend it, it was even up to, if you should like assume that we took all the profits from the selling trend, it should be around 1:12. Okay, clear 1:13 risk to reward trade, which is also, I would say, it's also good, but it's also part of the trade plan. So that was it on EURUSD. Then today I can also spot that market now has invalidated the supply area, and for market to invalidate the supply area, we have to find our clear inducement and then find our block around the inducement area, which you can see that on a 1 hour time frame, market gave us a clear bullish structure with an inducement. So I'm looking at price now to tap into the zone and maybe give me a confirmatory entry for me to take the trade on EURUSD. Then coming to my next breakdown, which is on XAUUSD gold. That one, I personally didn't get to know the reason why markets had to buy from there, but after the analysis, I just waited to see what price will do. As I was waiting, price was just playing around and looking like something that won't even consider that area. So me stepping up from the chart and coming back, I saw that market already has tapped into the area and it's off the area. So now I'm looking at why is price buying from that area, and if you look from a 3 minutes time frame, it will be like you should buy from there, because the 3 minute time frame was giving us a clear inducement area with another block. Then from the second, when price came back to that 3 minutes other block, it also gave us another clear 3 minutes time frame. This is a kind of 3 minutes time frame confirmatory entry. You get. So if you use your 80% fee retracement, you see that price gave us a tap into the 80% fee area, and from there price surged massively. The trade was initially targeting 1:6.2, but the trade went as far as 1:19, 1:19.5, okay, 1:19.8 risk to reward, which was like mad. I didn't get to see this coming, so I didn't even get to take the trade. And from the look of things, price is likely going to give us another entry on gold from a lower time frame, but I don't know how possible that will be for me to take the trade. Let me just do the analysis right, and let's see how it goes. If it goes well, probably, whether it goes well or it doesn't go well, I will probably give you an update on this trade I'm about to take now. I'm looking at gbpusd, EURUSD, and then XAUUSD. Let's see if we can get a clean buy entry. Remember that there is a tension in those Iran and Israel area. So we don't know exactly how that will affect the market, but I know that if that becomes serious, probably investors will push fund into gold, and gold will likely buy from that. And if gold is buying, there is likelihood that gbpusd, Euro USD will likely also buy. So let's just see how the whole thing plays out. But we work with technical analysis, not just fundamental analysis. So anyway, wish you all good luck and wait for my next trade breakdown. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you always get notification whenever I upload a new content to the channel. So till next time, I'm Jovianking. Bye bye for now.